Hyprland versus Sway. Which Linux window manager should you use in 2026? Before we start, like this video and subscribe for more Linux and tiling/stacking WM comparisons. Today we're comparing Hyprland and Sway, two popular Linux window managers, to help you pick the best one in 2026. They're off. Hyprland, a Wayland compositor with effects, animations, and modern GPU acceleration. It's designed for a dynamic and visually rich tiling experience. Sway, a Wayland tiling window manager compatible with i3 config. It focuses on stability, minimalism, and efficiency. Lightning Ask, performance and resource use. Hyprland uses GPU acceleration for smooth visuals and animations, slightly higher resource use than a pure tiling window manager, great for modern hardware. Sway, very lightweight and fast, optimized for efficiency and low overhead, great on older or low-spec systems. Winner? Sway, for minimal footprint. Runner-up, Hyprland, for more visuals. Window Dash, features and usability. Hyprland, cool animations and desktop effects, built-in workspace transitions, more modern defaults, better out of the box for newcomers to tiling. Sway, configurable and stable, trusted for years. i3-style kind bindings easy for experienced users, simple and predictable. Winner, Hyprland, for features. Runner-up, Sway, for professional workflow. Tool Dash, customization, and config dash files. Hyprland uses its own config format, powerful but newer, lots of community themes and extensions. Sway uses i3-style config, lots of scripts, tools, and community plugins. Easier for experienced tilers. Winner, Sway, for config flexibility. Growing stock, stability, and maturity. Hyprland, newer and evolving fast. Occasional regressions on updates, great community support. Sway, mature and stable, well-tested for years, strong ecosystem. Winner, Sway. Tarbit Dash, who should use which? Choose Hyprland if you want modern visuals and animations, feature-rich Wayland experience, aesthetic, dynamic desktops. Choose Sway if you want lightweight and blazing fast workflows, stable and mature setup, deep customization with i3-style configs. Race flag, final verdict in 2026. Best for lightweight and stable tiling, Sway. Best for modern features and smooth visuals, Hyprland. Both are excellent. It comes down to performance versus features. If you want, I can